Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to join the Flipkart affiliate program in 2023. So if you're interested to monetizing your website or blog by promoting products from one of the India's largest e-commerce platforms, joining the Flipkart affiliate program is a great opportunity. Flipkart offers a wide range of products across various categories, making it an attractive affiliate programs for content creators. So in this guide, we'll walk you through the steps to join the Flipkart affiliate program in 2023. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So first, let's start by opening whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser. And of course, in your case, you can use any other browser that you could possibly have or you prefer. Once you open that browser, you'll have to go and search for Flipkart affiliates program in this URL section. So click on it, type Flipkart affiliates program and hit the enter button. That should take you right here. So simply click on this first link, which is Flipkart affiliates program. Once you click on it, as you can see, by becoming a Flipkart affiliates program, you'll earn money. So drive traffic from your websites, mobile apps to Flipkart and earn commissions on every purchases. If you open these commissions, as you can see, you will find all the commissions that you may you get if you are affiliates partner. So you can see there's the table of all the commissions that you may earn, and that's it. So of course, you will have, once you become an affiliate partner, you will get your affiliate tools and extensive range of tools available, ranging from simple banners and widgets for to APIs for listing Flipkart deals and products on your own website or app. And of course, the reports also. So our real-time reports provide an extensive data about the activity of your links, conversions, and performance across all categories that empower you to optimize your campaign performance. So as you can see here, if you scroll more, the books commission will be from 6 to 12%, ebooks same, mobiles up to 5, computers up to 6, toys from 6 to 20, cameras up to 4, and of course you can click here on view more on this table also. It's going to be the same link. So as you can see, new customers is defined as the first order transaction done by a customer on Flipkart in the last 6 months, counting from the dates of transaction. And affiliate tracking on all mobile apps is possible only through the deep link affiliate URL. So of course, you can see everything again from here if you have any information about it. So let's just get back into the home screen by clicking on home. And of course, before applying here, you'll have to go and review the program requirements and policies. So before proceeding, of course, with the application process, you will have to take time to review the program requirements and policies and ensure that you meet the eligibility criteria, such as having a functional website or blog with relevant content and adhering to Flipkart terms and conditions. So as you can see, at the moment, they don't accept any new partners. So as you can see, they remove even the registration part. Even if you open a new tab, as example, type Flipkart affiliates program registration and click on the enter button. As you can see, if you click on the first link, you'll not find everything. And if you click on the second link, you will find it like this. But they said that they will open it in the future. As you can see, if you click on registration, you will not be able to do anything at the moment. But they said they will open it in the future. And once they open it, as I said, you will find normally here a sign up option. So if you click on it, of course, you'll be able to fill your application. So of course, after you reviewing the program requirements, you'll have to click on sign up or join now. And once you familiarize yourself with the program requirements, locate the join now and sign up button on the Flipkart affiliates program website and click on it to initiate the application process. Make sure to also to fill out the application form provided by Flipkart, and you will be asked to provide information about your website or blog, including its URL, traffic statistics, and monetization methods. So be sure to provide accurate and comprehensive details to enhance your chances for approval. Then make sure to agree to the program terms and conditions. So thoroughly read through the program terms and conditions presented during the application process and make sure that you understand and agree all the terms before proceeding. Of course, these terms typically cover commission rates and promotional guidelines and others important program policies. So after completing the application form and agreeing to the program terms and condition, make sure to review your application for accuracy. And once you're satisfied, submit your application by clicking the appropriate button, which is going to be sign up. You may receive a confirmation email acknowledging the receipt of your application. And that means they received your application and they will look into it. So in the meanwhile, for you will have to go and wait for your application review. So the duration of the application review can vary, ranging from like a few business days to a couple of weeks. And of course, during this period, make sure to familiarize yourself more with the Flipkart's website. You can go and check all of this. And of course, during this period, Flipkart's affiliate team will assess your application and evaluate if your website or blog align with their criteria, even if your social media, if you entered your social media instead. So for you, once you receive the approval and affiliate account access, your application is approved. Once your application is approved, you will receive an email notification with instructions how to access your Flipkart affiliates program account. You'll have to go and follow the provided instructions to log in and gain access to the affiliate dashboard. Normally, you go just to this affiliate.flipkart.com and you will simply have to log in with your email and password here. Click on login and you will have access to your Flip tools and reports, affiliate tools and reports and everything. So once you log in, of course, you'll have access to the affiliate dashboard. So from there, you will be able to generate the affiliate link and promotional materials. Within your affiliate dashboard, you'll find tools and resources to generate affiliate links and promotional materials. Flipkart typically provides banners, products feeds, widgets to APIs, and products feeds as an example, and of course text links that you can incorporate into your website or blog content to promote their products. So for you, you'll simply have to start promoting the Flipkart products and earn commissions ongoing. So with access to your affiliate account and promotional materials, you can now start integrating Flipkart affiliate link into your content. Make sure to write product reviews, create buying guides and features specific products to showcase and recommend the Flipkart offering as visitors. Make sure to click on your affiliate link and make purchases. And of course, you will earn your commissions based on the program commission structures that we saw already here. You can find it just on the commission on this table. You'll find everything that you want here. So normally it will vary from like 0.1% to the highest rate will be 15%. So those are going to be your commissions depending on what the person buy from your affiliate link, of course, through your affiliate link. And of course, even here you'll be or you'll find the frequently asked questions that people ask on this affiliate program. You will find everything about it. So if you reached this point of this video, congratulations! You by following this steps, you will be able to join the Flipkart affiliates program in 2023. Of course, you can leverage the popularity of Flipkart's vast products catalog and earn commissions through your website or blog or social media. Focus on creating valuable content, strategically promoting Flipkart's products, and continuously optimizing your affiliates marketing efforts. So best of luck on your affiliate journey with Flipkart. So thanks for watching, and if you like this video, make sure to leave a like down below and subscribe for our channels for more helpful tutorials like this one, and I will see you in the next video.